What's up guys? In today's lesson, I will explain you how to set up your taskbar settings from Windows 11. So if you want to use like Windows 11 and uh, your taskbar is like missing, or you can change it like your taskbar alignment, you definitely watch this video, and after watching this video you can fix your taskbar settings like Windows 10, or you can just get new features from Windows 11. So here is your taskbar on your left. It's like looks like Windows 10. If you want to change it to make it like in the center, you can just click right button from your mouse here and choose taskbar settings. From the personalization menu, you can see a lot of options here. You can turn on or off any options like search button and task view and widgets or uh, chat menu. You can turn on or off any of them and change it here. If you want to change your taskbar corner overflow, you can change it here. It's like a notification preferences. You can turn on or off any of these applications which is accessible to use taskbar settings. You can change any options here. And if you want to change like taskbar behaviors, I mean like if you want your taskbar alignment, for example, in a center, it's like new features from the Windows 11. You can just choose this option and make it in a center. So if you want to like undo this function, you can just choose left, or you can just hide your taskbar using this option. Just check automatically hide the taskbar, and you can hide your taskbar. It means like if you don't use your taskbar, it will be like full mode. Your display, your desktop will be like hide your taskbar. If you make or drag your mouse pointer on the bottom, you can see your taskbar here, and it will be automatically hide if you don't use them anymore. If you want to undo this function, just choose taskbar settings again, and from the taskbar behavior, choose like uncheck automatically hide the taskbar option. You can also change like share in a window from my taskbar option, or select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. You can change whatever you want from this menu and make it like easier and simple to use while using your Windows 11. That's all guys in today's lesson. I hope you can get some useful information. If you like, please subscribe my channel and smash like button, and see you next time. Goodbye.